In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send entire folders via Gmail in a few easy steps. Let's face it, we've all been there. You have a folder full of important files that you need to send to a colleague, friend or client, but aren't quite sure how to send it all in one go without individually attaching each file. Luckily, Gmail offers a straightforward way to streamline this process, ensuring your data is shared efficiently and effectively. First, let's focus on the most direct method that involves compressing the folder into a single file. For Windows users, you'll want to right-click on the folder you wish to send, and then select Compress Folder. If you're using a Mac, simply right-click as well and select Compress. This creates a zipped version of your folder, bundling everything neatly into a single file that's easy to attach and send. With your folder now compressed, it's time to jump into Gmail. Open up Gmail and click on the Compose button to draft a new email. Here you can fill out the recipient's email address, add a subject line, and write your message just as you normally would. Now comes the part where you attach the file. You'll see a paperclip icon at the bottom of the Compose window. Click on that to open up your file browser, navigate to where your compressed folder is stored, select it, and then click Open. Once attached, review your email to make sure everything appears just as you want it to, then click Send. Your email, along with the compressed folder, will now be on its way. There's also another handy method using Google Drive, which is particularly useful for larger folders or if you're dealing with space constraints on email size limits. Start by uploading your folder to Google Drive, an easy process that ensures your files are securely stored in the cloud. After your folder is successfully uploaded, head back to Gmail and create a new email by clicking Compose. This time, instead of the paperclip icon, click on the Google Drive icon in the bottom toolbar. This will allow Gmail to fetch files from your Drive storage. A window will pop up showing your Google Drive contents. Locate your folder, select it, and then click Add as Link. This action includes a Google Drive link in your email, providing recipients with direct access to view and download the folder. This is particularly useful if your recipient needs to access the files from different devices or places. Finally, with your email all set, do a final review to ensure everything is in order, and when you're ready, click Send. And there you have it, two simple, effective ways to send entire folders through Gmail. Utilize these methods to manage your email attachments with ease. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.